front of me is REALME C11 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can check all phone specifications on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Sorry. Then you need to download this app from this developer and open it. From this app, you can find out all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!